Hey guys, it is Mirsky and I am back with another video. And this time it's going to be on the law of attraction and manifestations and how to make the law of attraction work for you. Because who doesn't want the law of attraction to work for them? Like, the law of attraction is how you manifest things in your life and just live the life that you want to live. So I'm going to be giving you just letting you know how to make it work for you, basically. How does the law of attraction work and how to make it work for you? The law of attraction is all about energy and what you put out there and how you want things to resonate in your vibration. You got to think in terms of energy when you're thinking of the law of attraction and manifestation, because that's basically what it is. It's you using your energy to manifest another energy into your reality. So if the law of attraction isn't working for you, or if it's going too slow, that means you could be not resonating with what you want. You're not on that vibrational plane that what you want is at. You're vibing down here and it's up here. You need to be on the same vibration. You need to be feeling like it's already here, not wanting it so much. You're letting go at the same time. You're releasing resistance. You're aware of how you feel. You're using affirmations and things like that to manifest what you want. That's if the law of attraction is not working for you, it's because that's either not for you or you're not vibing right. Your mindset isn't right. Another thing about the law of attraction is your mindset. That plays a huge part. Do you believe that you can have it? Do you believe that the law of attraction is real and can work for you? Have you seen evidence of the law of attraction working for you? Because it always is. No matter, you could be attracting anything. You're attracting negative situations into your life, something like that. Like, you're using the law of attraction in some way. You might not realize it, but you're using it. Some ways you can help, speed it up or use it is by looking back on the manifestation that you did have. You can see that what strategies did you use to manifest whatever you had. Was it visualizing for you? Was it writing it down in a journal? Things like that, using affirmations, meditating on it? Were you just feeling like you already have it? Like, what strategies did you use before to manifest what you want into your reality? That's a great way to use the law of attraction, is to just look back on what you manifested to know that it isn't that hard. It's manifesting, and the law of attraction is pretty simple. Like, it's really simple. I wouldn't say it's all that easy because it takes some time to actually get to manifest rapidly. Your mindset has to change. Like, it's going to take a 360 to manifest rapidly. You got to believe that you can actually have whatever you want. You have to do a lot of inner work to realize that you can manifest these things. Using the law of attraction in the best way I can say to use the law of attraction, is to feel gratitude and be positive. Be grateful for what you already have to allow more in your life. If you are not grateful for what you have, why would the universe want to bring you anything else? Because you're not grateful for what you have already. So you're just, basically letting it clutter in your life. You're really not having the positive energy towards it. You're really just manifesting it for selfish reasons, or just cause it's not really doing anything for you. Be grateful for what you do have to manifest more. You need gratitude to have more in your life, to give more in your life. When you give it's like an exchange. You're telling the universe, I have enough of this so I can get more back, or I can use this to serve others to get something back. Like, you get what I'm saying? Like, say, for example, everybody always talks about money. So I guess that's just the easiest thing to talk about. Money. If you feel like you're not, or if you do feel like you have enough, or if you're grateful for it, you can give out money to receive more back. You're telling the universe, I have enough and I can receive even more. I can give and I can receive. It's like you know it's gonna come back to you. Let me think. It's one thing that I always say, what I give out comes back to me multiplied. So having that mindset, I'm not saying just, give away money that you don't got, or like just spend money that you don't have. You gotta set priorities and goals and stuff. But when you can, or when your intuition is telling you, because you know that it's gonna come back to you, basically. It's gonna come back to you multiplied 10 times infinite, like whatever. You're gonna start seeing the synchronicities line up from when you start to do certain things. So you can know that you're on the right path of attracting what you want. Specifically, if you're trying to attract something, it is best to let go of it when you are manifesting it. You know, put your intention, the universe knows what you want. Set your intention out, let it go. Don't hold so much resistance towards it. Just know that if you have faith and if you trust that the universe is going to work in your highest good, it's going to come to you 10 times. You can be thinking about it for one day, maybe before you go to bed or something, like just put all that energy towards it and then let it go. And it will manifest rapidly. Like, I do this all the time. If I'm like really trying to manifest something, or if I have a goal or something, I don't think about it throughout the day. I'm gonna think about it one time, or whenever I feel like it's gonna make me feel better. You don't want to be trying to manifest when you're not in a good mood, because it's not gonna work. You have to get yourself in a high vibing mood to manifest rapidly, to manifest high vibe things. Basically, that's how the law of attraction is. Use positive energy to manifest what you want. So guys, hope you like this video on manifestations. My best friend told me to do this, so I just decided to do. Why not? If you like it, comment, subscribe, and I will be back with another one. Love you guys. Peace.